Hello everyone, I'm Mike with Fuse in San Jose, California. Today I'll talk about the asbestos and the health complications that could be from that. We see lots of old houses that have the asbestos. The main area where you see the asbestos is on the ductworks. Whatever you do, like when you touch it, scratch it, that's when the asbestos is being released into the air. The more you breathe it, there is a higher chance to have things like, lung cancer or any health complications. It's very dangerous for kids. So the reason I'm talking about asbestos is our company Fuse can replace the ductwork, or we can install completely new system. Ideally, we suggest you replace the whole system, because if you had an existing furnace and you had an asbestos, it might already be contaminated with it. All the work we do will be warranted. You can safely enjoy the system knowing that whatever goes, we're always here, we'll come out and fix it. Please send us any questions or request the estimates. We'll be more than happy to send you and explain how everything is working. Thank you so much for watching.